about this. Put this. Damn it, stick broke and then that broke. So the plan is ignite it. Fucking. Don't tell me I just made all of this. Alright, and that's the end to this little rocketry series that I've been making. It's been great. I mean, we've been exploring the possibilities of calcium nitrate, sodium nitrate, and sucrose propellants. And we've had sort of a success in making a rocket propellant. Well, not sure about the rocket part, but it did propel. The reason that you're actually seeing me is I need to say a few safety concerns about the methods demonstrated in this video. Now, there is a very serious possibility of the mixture igniting when you're trying to prepare and to dry it. It's pretty damn hard to tell when it's dry since you want the sucrose to melt and acts as a binding component to, bind the mix together and let it burn easier. But also, it's pretty damn dangerous since if you overheat the mix and, burn the sugar, let's say, it starts off this runaway reaction where you can't exactly stop it, and it just burns. I mean, what you gonna do? Snuff it out with a with a watch glass? That's not gonna work. The oxidizer is already inside of the mix. It's gonna burn whether you want it to or not. And it gets even worse when you add rust into the mixture, which catalyzes the whole thing, and it makes it even more difficult to know how decomposed or how melted the sugar is, because it's already brown. You don't have a visual cue anymore. You only have the texture, and just to do this with texture alone isn't very easy. So, don't do this. Don't do what I've done in the video. But if you are going to do what I did, please, at least make sure you're heating it, on low heat, like around 150. I think that's a reasonable temperature. I don't know. I wasn't measuring, but sucrose melts around 186. And as long as you're lower than that, I'm pretty sure that's fine. But, don't quote me. Just make sure you're on low heat. And another thing, the method used here actually generates a pretty goddamn good propellant. I mean, it works better than the other one that I made in my sodium nitrate and sucrose video, that I uploaded before this one. Mainly because, as I said earlier, the sucrose acts as a binding agent and makes it easier to burn through the whole thing. But, because it's so much better, it also, spits out molten globules of sodium oxides, which isn't exactly good. Because if that gets in your skin, it's gonna burn, it's gonna really hurt, and if you don't get it off in time, it might chemically burn you. I don't know. It hasn't chemically burnt me yet. It just, heat burned me. I put it underneath the tap. It's all good. But please wear proper PPE, wear glasses, wear a mask, long sleeve shirts. long leggings, closed-toe shoes, all that good stuff. Also, as a side note, I'm gonna take a break from making rocket propellants now. Anyway, that's the end of my video. Have a good day. See ya.